To whom am I speaking with now?
Dr. Fletcher, it's Barry.
It doesn't seem like Barry.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth.
He's too smart for him.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you.
You hiding love songs?
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
Please believe me, I'm Barry.
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly, pretty.
Sam, in love with me. What are you doing all this? Do my hero shit.
Oh, little ghost, you see the pain.
Yes.
But together we can make something
But do you
beautiful.
ache for him?
So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly, pretty. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside